So lip fillers. People always worry about having lip fillers because of they don't want to have a trap out or they don't want that Leslie Ash disaster. But the good thing is, since science has moved on, technology has moved on, we've got so many more materials in my toolbox to help you get the desired look. And what I want to do is just take a couple of minutes to talk you through the fillers I like to use. So, first one is RHA2. This is definitely a brilliant one for those people who have fine lines around their lips. Little bit of definition and moisturization, so great filler for that. We then move on to Restylane Kiss. This gives definition, definitely a little bit of plumping, and lasts 6 to 9 months. This is brilliant. Then we move on to RHA3. These are for those people who have very thin lips to start with. So this gives volume and definition, and again lasts 6 to 9 months. And the good thing about this, it doesn't give you any lumps and bumps. It just goes through your lips and they feel natural. We finally have TSL Kiss. This is for those patients who want that va-va-voom, the ones that want the big lips. They want to have a bit more definition. They want to have a pout. And I go for TSL Kiss, and the advantage of this is that it can last up to 9 to 10 months. It's brilliant. So the most important thing is don't worry about having lip fillers. Come to me for a conversation, and because of all the fillers that we have, we can talk through what desired look you're looking for and pick the right filler for you.